I'm JJ, owner of Utah Radon Defense. When it comes to protecting your family from radon, choosing the right company matters. Here are 5 reasons why Utah homeowners choose Utah Radon Defense. First, certification and expertise matters. In Utah, certification is not required to install a radon mitigation system. That means anyone can install a radon system without the specialized training or certification. Many contractors use plumbers or poorly trained or non-trained technicians. All our team members are certified radon mitigation specialists through the National Radon Proficiency Program, and we adhere to the highest standards. Second, the best radon systems aren't guessed, they're designed. Every home begins with a thorough video call or on-site assessment. Would you hire a contractor to remodel your kitchen based on a phone call? Probably not. They'd want to see the space first. We do the same thing before designing your radon system. The on-site assessment is when we consult with you and design a custom mitigation system specifically for your home. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision. Third, we use data, not guesswork. Before we install a radon mitigation system, we perform what's called pressure field extension testing, or PFE testing. Think of it this way. Would you hire a mechanic who starts replacing parts on your car without diagnosing what's wrong with your car? Of course not. Yet, most radon contractors skip this step altogether. PFE testing tells us how air moves beneath your home's foundation and helps us determine the best design that performs the way it should and gets your levels as low as possible. Fourth, every system we install is backed by our Shield promise. We treat every home like our own. We provide post-installation radon testing to confirm your system is effectively reducing radon levels. We even offer our Shield membership, where we monitor your system's performance and will instantly know if there's any issues with your system, so your family is always protected. Next, craftsmanship matters. We use premium materials throughout the system, from sound-reducing components, clean aesthetics, UV, water, and ice damage protection. We pay attention to every detail. Our goal is to build a system that performs well, looks clean, and lasts for years. Finally, our customers love working with us. We're local. With hundreds of 5-star Google reviews, we've earned a reputation for professionalism, expertise, quality workmanship, and delivering proven results for families across Utah for over 20 years. When you choose Utah Radon Defense, you're choosing more than a mitigation system. You're choosing certified radon professionals, custom designed solutions done right the first time, verified performance, and a company committed to protecting what matters most. Utah Radon Defense. Our shield, your peace of mind.